So once you are done with filling out your research, your teacher is going to assign you the cell template. Then it's going to look, the very first screen is going to look exactly the same. You might want to have both your research part, which would be this one right here, pulled up right next to it, just so you can go back and forth. That would be fine. So there is no particular order that you have to complete these slides in. I will tell you, do not unlink them because that will make it harder. Somebody would have to go back and relink them. So don't delete these links. Instead, when you need to go somewhere, just use the panel on the side. So slide 2 looks like this. It's a welcome. And what you're going to do is I put all of these notes around here. This is where you are going to tell about your state's motto or nickname. You're going to copy and paste your claim over here. So if you've done everything like you were supposed to, let's see, right here you have that, your claim right there. You just copy and paste it over. Let's see, population. This will be your statistic. Some evidence to support your claim, and right here, a flip grid. You can do your flip grid here and insert the video if you do not want to type. So that is an option. You can either type everything and make it into this, or you can do a flip grid video and insert the video here. Just in case you don't know how to do that, I will do a separate video on that, and I will link it over here at some point. So it's a welcome, claim with your evidence, your state motto or nickname, and a statistic about the population, or Flipgrid. It's your choice. Then the next one, this is your audience one. If you remember, I did one on Indiana and my audience was sports. Here is a reminder of what yours is. You would also want to go back to it's this page, and I made it say a travel guide for sports lovers. And let's see, it says, over here, write a statement or question to encourage others to come to the state. It says, did you want to be part of the most popular race of the world, car race in the world? Sorry guys, my eyesight's not very good. Beautiful beaches and breathtaking mountains are awaiting you in California. So those are some examples. And this would be a great place to insert a GIF. I use Giphy and I spelled that wrong here. I'm going to fix that right now. I don't know if it's blocked for you, but it is really cool. I will show you real quick. Giphy is this, and I can search right there. Pretty cool, pretty fun. Turn that back. So I got all of these on Giphy. You see I have Pacers, I have Indy 500 here, I have the Colts. So that would be a great place to insert some GIFs or some images. Next, this is going to be a picture collage with captions. This is your tourism slide. It says you can change the layout, shapes, everything, but you must have real pictures with accurate captions. That means the caption has to match the picture. My example says, and I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so we can see, a little too big maybe. This is an actual picture of the Indianapolis Motor Speedway, and it says Indianapolis Motor Speedway in Speedway, Indiana. The IMS has many types of races each year, like IndyCar, NASCAR, motorcycles, and even airplanes. It is a great place to watch the epic Indy 500 race. Now, if you've done your research, all of that is going to be over here, your tourism stuff. Even the pictures could be here. So I'm going to change back to this. So these are all going to be pictures with captions. You do not have to have all of these. You don't have to do, let me show you. I'm going to back up for a second. A picture with a caption. There's something I love and I want to show you. I didn't know how to do this until recently. So again, remember we want to explore, and I'm doing sports lovers. So I'm going to, let me just do Lucas Oil Stadium. Because that would be a place sports lovers might want. I go to images. There it is. It's such a pretty place. Yep, I want that. I'm going to insert it. And it goes there. Okay. So, you know, at this point, you want to unlink it. You don't need that link there. I'm going to close this just so it makes my screen bigger. Now, as you can see, it didn't go into any of those boxes. That's fine. You can remove the boxes if you want. So you can put it there. This is the coolest part. So, around my image, it is the blue line. What I'm going to do here is go right here. Not on the crop, but on the little arrow right next to it. It says mask image. You're going to click on it, and then you can pick a shape. I would suggest a common shape, such as one of these at the top. It needs to be big. I would not use any of those. I would not use any arrows. But anyway, let me just show you what it looks like. So I go, let me say I want it in a circle. I click on the circle, and it changes it to the circle. And just like the other ones, I can change its size. So cool, right? The other thing you can do is if you type your text, this is Lucas Oil Stadium, where the Colts play. You should be able to do the same thing. Maybe not. Maybe not. Hold on. Now I'm looking and I'm not seeing it pop up. No. Darn it. I really thought it had that format. No. Sorry, guys. Anyway, you don't need your text to be in a special shape, but you would want, right now, you would want your picture to be on the page appropriately, and then you're going to want your caption to match. So you would want to change its size, probably want to maybe change its font size, whatever you would like. So that would be perfect for that. Then you can just delete these boxes. You don't have to do anything with these boxes. They were just here as a suggestion, and that's all. So those are the first 4 slides. Again, you do nothing on this slide. Then you have slide 1, 2, and 3. Well, I'm sorry, slide 2, 3, and 4 here. I think that's all you need to know about putting in the pictures and the captions. If you do not know how to create a new text box, you can use one of these ones and just resize it. Or you can go up here where it says T text box. You click on it. Now it's yellow. Your cursor turns into this plus sign. And you just click and it will make you a text box. All right. Next video, I'll do the last slides.